Okay, so I reckon this is pretty much the part you asked for. I've got it in three pieces up here. As it sits right now, this piece doesn't swivel. I'm not sure if I wasn't sure based on the drawing you gave me if it needed to swivel or not. So at the present moment, it does not. Right now, it's in three pieces. I couldn't tell what size. It looks like an M something screw there, some sort of machine screw, but I couldn't tell what size, so I made this hole relatively small. That way, because I figure like if you need it larger, you could drill it larger, but we can't undrill it, so I made it a little bit smaller than usual. And I'll send you this for review and you kind of see how it works here. Screws up, screws down. Yes, you may. I hope this is what you asked for based on the drawing. But let me know if it's not, and I will make the necessary changes before I go ahead and get it printed. But yeah, hope you're doing well. Take care.